Welcome back. Now news from sports. I-League champions Salgaonkar Sports Club have reinforced their squad for the next season. The Vasco-based club signed Rahul Kumar, Randeep Singh and Balwant Singh from JCT on Tuesday. General Secretary of the club R. Gomes also said that the club has retained all their Goan players and renewed coach Karim Benchrifa's contract.
The trio of Rahul Kumar, Randeep Singh and Balwant Singh are the latest arrivals in the family of Salgaonkar Sports Club. Amongst the new arrivals is prolific Nigerian striker Adhe Chidi from Mohun Bagan. Chidi replaces Yakubu Yusuf, who has left for Greece. Gomes said that Salgaonkar were keen to retain the experienced striker Yakubu, but he saw his future out of India.
The only big loss that we have for the next year is the foreign player, that is Yakubu, who wanted to play for our club, but his future, he said, now is not in India but to play in Greece or Serbia.
The new arrivals were happy to join the champions. Rahul Kumar said that coach Karim Benchrifa was a key factor in his decision to join Salgaonkar.
मैं गोवा में भी खेलना चाहता था, तो मीन्स सलगांकर अच्छा ऑफर दिया है, और क्योंकि मैं पहले भी कोच के अंडर में खेल चुका हूँ और मेरे को अच्छा लगता है उनके अंडर में खेलना, क्योंकि वो उनका जो कॉन्फिडेंस देते हैं प्लेयरों को वो सब अच्छा लगता है, तो इसलिए मैं सलगांकर ज्वाइन किया।
आपके साथ में आपके दो साथी भी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, उनका रहना क्या आपके मानसिक स्थिति को बहुत हेल्प करेगा?
हाँ, ऐसा तो है, क्योंकि हम लोग लास्ट ईयर से एक साथ खेल रहा है, अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन है, और हम लोग का जो पहले भी इधर प्लेयर है जसपाल एंड करणजीत, वो सब जानते हैं। वैसे भी बहुत सारे प्लेयर हैं, जैसे इशफाक है और बहुत सारे प्लेयर हैं जिनके साथ पहले मैं खेला हूँ।
The club now looks in healthy shape after years of mediocrity. Salgaonkar have also extended Benchrifa's contract and look to build on their newfound success under the successful Moroccan tactician. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Dempo Sports Club are gearing up to fill the holes in their midfield following Beto and Carlos' departure. Club president Srinivas Dempo said he is looking at one new foreign recruit, while his other signing would be an existing foreign player currently involved in an I-League club. He is not too bothered on Beto's exit, as the Brazilian had played for a long time with Dempo.
Kalu was a crucial defensive midfielder. The Nigerian would shield the defense and make driving runs in the opposition half, whereas Beto was a lethal central attacking midfielder who used to take all of Dempo's spot kicks as well as a prolific goal scorer. So how is Dempo going to fill their void?
Sure, I mean, for reasons of confidentiality, I can't reveal the names. We are in touch with some very good players, some foreigners also, who are, some of them in India who have operated in India in the past, and some of them who have not. So I don't think that that's a major concern. We should be able to sort out these issues in the next. I also felt that, the reason we haven't tried our best to retain Beto and all, because I think they've been there for a fair long time. And I just felt that younger players need to come into the team. If you saw last year's performance, though we did well, and I must give credit to my players, but I felt that there must be a combination of young and old players now. And I felt that to that extent, Dempo Sports Club was lacking in terms of age profile. We had that slightly senior age profile compared to some of our competitors. So I think this is a good beginning for us, that we must try and retain young players now, and take young players and then, make the game faster, so that, we try and overcome our weaknesses to that extent. So we are in touch with a few foreigners who we should be able to fill in our slots,
Dempo have played safe, signing two strikers in Coco Sakibo and Joy Ferrao, adding to Dempo's existing strike force of Ranti Martins and Jokia Branches. It will be interesting to see how Dempo fill up the void in the midfield, having lost two of their best foreigners. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Panji.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Stay tuned to Prudent for more updates. Goodbye.